So here are the solutions for Tuesday, the exponential growth practice. Number 1 says Tommy inherited land that was purchased for $30,000 in 1960. The value of the land increased by approximately 5% per year. What is the approximate value of the land in the year 2011? So we have our growth formula. We purchased P, the initial amount, for $30,000. R, our rate, is 5%, which we will divide by 100 and get 0.05. And now T, we want to see the value of the land in 2011. So we have 2011 minus 1960 when this started. So you can do that on your calculator. And you should get 51. So plugging into the formula, you're going to type that whole thing straight into your calculator. 30,000 times 0.05 to the 51st power. And now the question is talking about we're dealing with money, the value of the land. It does not tell you where to round. So we said money not telling you where to round is the nearest cent to decimal places. So we have 361,223 and 9 cents, 0.09. Question 2. This formula represents the interest accumulating on a loan yearly. A, state the initial amount. So this here is from your growth formula. Now I know it's my growth formula because remember I said that for growth during the lesson, that 1 plus r in the parenthesis will be greater than 1. And since it's a 1.36 in there, that is bigger than 1, which implies growth. State the initial amount. P, remember, is the initial amount. And the P is what's in front of the parenthesis. So my initial amount is the 2,300. State the rate. We know it's increasing already. So now the rate is inside the parenthesis. However, there's also that 1 plus in there. So my inside of my parenthesis is this 1 plus r, and it's equaling this 1.36. So we need to solve for r to get the rate. Subtract 1. You get 0.36. And now if we want this as a percent, normally we divide by 100 to get rid of the percent. You are going to multiply by 100 to put the percent back in. So our rate is 36%. C, what is the total amount of the loan after 3 years? This is your T. So you can take the formula that was already given to you, plug in the 3, and now we're going to type this into our calculator. So 2,300 times 1.36 to the 3rd power. It's not telling you where to round. This is money, so 2 decimal places again. So my decimal says 0.548, so that 8 is going to make me round up to 0.55. So 5,000 $785.55. And last, question 3. A bank account has an interest rate of 6%. If the value of the account is $12,350 after 4 years, what is the initial value of the bank account? So here's my formula. The A that's given to us is the $12,350. Our 6% divided by 100, we get 0.06. T is 4. So we are going to plug all of this in and solve for P. So doing this, remember I said plug in the parenthesis with the exponent into your calculator. We have P times this parenthesis. So what we get, 1 plus 0.06 to the 4th, 1.2624. Use the whole decimal, 7696. This is being multiplied with P. So to finish getting P by itself, we are going to divide this to the other side. So 12,350 divided by this entire decimal. And this is money again, does not tell us where to round. So 2 decimal places, 9,782. And 36 cents, 0.356. The 6 makes us round up. So 0.36. Let me know if you have any questions again, either via email or Google Classroom. I'd be happy to help. Have a great rest of the day.